Work hard in silence. Let your success be your noise. If you want something you have never had, you must be willing to do something you have never done. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Two things define you: your patience when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything. The great pleasure in life is doing what people say you can't do. A river cuts through rock not because of its power but because of its persistence. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. If people are not laughing at your goals are too small. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. I'm not what happened to me. I'm what I choose to become. Great minds discuss ideas. Average minds discuss events. Small minds discuss people. It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Doubts kill more dreams than failure ever will. The first step to getting anywhere is deciding you are no longer willing to stay where you are. Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. A year from now, you may wish you had started today. The master has failed more times than the beginner has even tried. The activity you are most avoiding contains your biggest opportunity. The world is changed by your example, not by your opinion. Throw to the wolves, and I will return leading the pack. When you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you will be successful. Today I will do what others won't, so tomorrow I can do what others can't. Never confuse a single defeat with a final defeat. Turn your face to the sun and the shadow fall behind you. When 99% of people doubt your idea, you are either gravely wrong or about to make history. Just stick with it. What seems so hard now will one day be your warm-up. What would you do if you weren't afraid?